You know what people fear the most? Not losing money, not losing success, not even losing friends. They fear being alone, because somewhere along the way, society convinced us that if you live alone, you must be lonely. But let me tell you something surprising. Some of the happiest, wealthiest, most peaceful people I have ever met live alone, and they are not lonely at all. In fact, they are powerful, because living alone gives you something most people never truly experience: freedom. Freedom to think clearly, freedom to control your money, freedom to design your life exactly the way you want. And today I want to share the 3 most powerful lessons I learned about living alone without feeling lonely, while also building wealth and financial peace. These lessons changed my life, and if you truly understand them, they might change yours too. Let me start with something honest. When I first started living alone, it felt strange. The house was quiet, too quiet. No voices in the hallway, no noise in the kitchen, no one asking questions. At night the silence felt heavy, and like many people, I started wondering, is this how loneliness begins? But then something interesting happened. After a few weeks, I started noticing something I had never experienced before: clarity. When you live alone, something powerful happens to your mind. You begin to hear your own thoughts, not your family's expectations, not society's pressure, not the constant noise of other people's opinions, just your thoughts. And that's where everything changes, because wealth, real wealth, is built in quiet moments of thinking. Think about it. Most people make terrible financial decisions because they are surrounded by noise. Friends telling them to buy things they can't afford. Family pressuring them into financial responsibilities they never planned. Social media convincing them that happiness is one expensive purchase away. But when you live alone, you gain distance from all that noise. You start asking different questions. Do I really need this? Is this purchase helping my future or stealing from it? Is this investment smart, or am I just following the crowd? That silence becomes your financial advantage. Some of the best financial decisions I ever made happened in quiet rooms, late at night, with nothing but a notebook and my thoughts. No distractions, just clarity. And that leads to the first powerful lesson. When you live alone, build a relationship with yourself. Most people never do this. They know their coworkers, they know their neighbors, they know celebrities, but they don't truly know themselves. They don't know what kind of life they want. They don't know what financial freedom means to them. They just follow the script society gave them: work harder, spend more, show off success. But when you live alone, you start discovering something deeper. You start asking yourself real questions. What kind of life do I actually want? Do I want a bigger house or more freedom? Do I want to impress people or retire early? These questions change everything, because once you understand yourself, your money starts working for your real goals, not someone else's expectations. I once met a man who lived alone in a small apartment. Most people assumed he wasn't successful. No luxury car, no huge house, no flashy lifestyle. But what they didn't know was that this man had quietly built a powerful investment portfolio. While others were spending money to impress people, he was buying assets. While others were upgrading cars, he was upgrading his financial future. And because he lived alone, he had something very valuable: control over his environment. No one pushing him to spend more. No one judging his simple lifestyle. Just peace, discipline, and a long-term vision. That quiet discipline made him wealthy. Living alone allowed him to hear his own financial wisdom. And that brings me to the second lesson. Loneliness disappears when your life has purpose. Here's something most people misunderstand. Loneliness is not about being physically alone. You can sit in a crowded room and still feel completely alone. Loneliness comes from feeling like your life has no direction, no mission, no purpose. But when you are building something meaningful, loneliness fades away. When you are learning about investing, studying financial freedom, growing your skills, planning your future, your time becomes valuable. And valuable time never feels empty. I remember a phase in my life when evenings used to feel long, but instead of filling that time with distractions, I made a simple decision. I started learning. I began reading books about money, studying how wealthy people think, understanding investing, assets, and long-term financial strategy. At first it was just curiosity, but slowly something changed. The quiet evenings that once felt lonely became powerful, because every night I was improving my financial intelligence. While others were wasting hours scrolling through their phones, I was building knowledge that would change my future. Knowledge compounds just like money. A single idea today can become a life-changing decision tomorrow. Living alone gave me the space to grow. No interruptions, no unnecessary noise, just focus. And that focus eventually turns into opportunity. Let me tell you something that might surprise you. Many wealthy individuals intentionally protect their solitude because solitude creates thinking. Thinking creates strategy, and strategy creates wealth. The world celebrates hustle and noise, but many fortunes were built in silence. One idea, one investment, one disciplined decision repeated over years. Living alone gives you the perfect environment for that. It becomes your personal laboratory for growth, your place to experiment with ideas, your space to design your future, and eventually something magical happens. You stop fearing being alone. You start valuing it, because solitude becomes your advantage. Now let me share the third lesson, and this one might be the most important. Build a life that attracts people instead of chasing people. Many people who live alone try to escape loneliness the wrong way. They chase constant company, always needing someone around, always needing validation, always needing noise. But here's the truth. People are naturally drawn to individuals who are building something meaningful. If your life is exciting, if you are growing, if you are financially disciplined, if you are focused on a powerful vision, people notice that energy. You don't need to chase attention. Your progress attracts the right people. Think about it. Would you rather spend time with someone who complains all day or someone who is building a better future? Success creates magnetism, and that magnetism starts with self-respect. Living alone teaches you self-reliance. You cook your meals. You manage your finances. You make your decisions. You solve your problems. That independence builds quiet confidence. And confidence is attractive, not loud confidence, not arrogance, just calm certainty about where your life is going. And that kind of person never stays lonely for long, because meaningful relationships naturally form around growth. But here's the secret. When you stop needing people to fill empty space in your life, you start choosing better people. You attract friendships based on respect, not dependency. You build connections based on shared values, not loneliness. And that changes everything. Your social circle becomes stronger. Your conversations become deeper. Your relationships become healthier because they are built on choice, not need. Living alone also teaches you financial responsibility faster than almost anything else. When there's no one else managing the bills, no one else planning the budget, no one else reminding you to save, you become your own financial manager, and that responsibility builds discipline. You start tracking your expenses, you become careful with unnecessary spending, you begin thinking long term. That awareness is powerful, because financial freedom doesn't come from earning a lot. It comes from controlling how money flows through your life. Living alone makes you see that clearly. You notice where money disappears. You notice how small habits affect your savings. You notice how powerful investing can be over time. And slowly, quietly, your financial life becomes stronger. Now, let me tell you something important. Living alone is not about isolating yourself from the world. It's about building a strong foundation within yourself, a foundation of clarity, a foundation of purpose, a foundation of financial discipline. When that foundation is strong, you can connect with people without losing yourself. You can build relationships without sacrificing your goals. You can enjoy company without fearing solitude. And that balance is rare, because most people depend on external noise to avoid internal questions. But the people who learn to sit comfortably in their own silence, those people often build extraordinary lives. They think deeper, they plan longer, they invest smarter, they live intentionally. So if you live alone right now, don't see it as something sad. See it as an opportunity most people never experience. An opportunity to understand yourself. An opportunity to sharpen your mind. An opportunity to build financial independence. Use the quiet moments wisely. Read more, think more, plan more, invest more. Because 10 years from now, while others are wondering where their time and money disappeared, you could be living a life of freedom they never imagined. And one day, someone might ask you a simple question. How did you build such a peaceful, successful life? And you might smile, remembering those quiet nights when no one was watching, the nights when you were alone, but never truly lonely, because those silent moments were actually the beginning of everything.